free tools I use to create YouTube thumbnails coming up now. Hey, what's up, folks? Dustin Howes here again. I am uploading a video to YouTube and I'm going through my checklist on TubeBuddy. If you're not familiar with what TubeBuddy is, get familiar with it. It's an outstanding tool for YouTube users to optimize each and every video they have, and they have a checklist here. So I'm just going through it. Write a compelling title, check. Enter description. I'm not killing it here yet, but it's good enough. I'm not using all 5,000 characters. Rarely do, but I do like to go about 2,000 at least. So check on that. Descriptive tags, absolutely. We've got them all. Utilizing all 500 characters there. Now create a custom thumbnail. Ooh. This is one I struggle with a lot of times. Seeing that thumbnail on the upcoming videos or videos on the side, suggested videos. This is huge. This is something I'm not very good at in the past, and today I just decided, hey, I'm going to get good at it. So I found 2 free hacks to actually do this. I am not good with Photoshop. I don't even own it, so I don't play around with it, but I found something that is going to work for me. So the first one I went to um, in my search was finding Canva. So I'm already a Canva free user. Just had to log in, but they had this thumbnail ready to go thing. Start designing your YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Um, they've got templates already here. There's photos to choose from. There's also backgrounds to choose from. I'm gonna grab just one of these that are free. Don't really need those. Are that jellyfish thing looks pretty cool. It's not very exact for what I'm trying to do here, but so I'll go with this little star background for an example, and then for photos, you can actually do some uploads here as well. And what I want to do is I want to put some typing in here. I want to put a picture of me doing something funny. And then I want to put the title of what I'm trying to get across in this video. And so for this background, I found something that would cut me out of the background because I want to pretend like this is my background, right? So then I found photoscissors.com. This lets you upload any image. Um, let's just grab something goofy here. It can even be like your dog. It's going to take that background image, the dog in the background, cut it all out for you so that you're not having to do any of the work. You just save it, download the low resolution or purchase. I'm going to pass on the purchase, so just the low resolution works for me. That uploads here, and then I can take it to Canva and just upload an image. Actually, it's easier just to drag it in here. And now I can just add Duke into this video and put him wherever I want. It looks like he's in space. So that's just an example. Today here I'm going to be using, let's say I want to look kind of professional, so I'll use this guy here. I need a title, so I'm going to add some text in here. All right, that looks good to go for me. And now I can come back to my video. Add a custom thumbnail down here at the bottom. Bippity boppity boop. It's going to upload that. And now I'm all set with that creative thumbnail. So those are just tools that I use for my thumbnails moving forward. Hope this is helpful. Good luck out there. See ya.